Hello everybody, it's Leanne from Cherry Lane again. We have another project kit to show you. So this was a class that we've already run, but we never actually did do a video, and we do have a handful of extra kits left over, so we thought that you would like a flip through because you just see a flat version of this on our website, which doesn't show you all of this. So we're gonna do this. So it's the Simple Stories, what is this called?
Simple Vintage Traveler.
Pocket binder album. So it's a 6x8. Is it 6 this way? No.
6 the other way, I think.
Okay, the cover is bigger than 6x8.
Yeah.
The pages are 6x8. So anyway, let's have a look at the inside. So anyway, there's our cover. There's no time to be bored in a world as beautiful as this. So very true.
It's true.
It is true. Okay. Here we go. So, and so the adventure begins. So there's lots of pockets and flips and pocket pages. There's some journaling. Yeah. Different sized photos. The journal cards you can move around however you like. I think there's extras that you can substitute them. You can add more photos if you want. You can add more journal cards if you want. Room for ephemeras and tickets and brochures and things. Photos. So the album comes with these chipboard dividers in there. We'll be decorating them, and then like these dividers it comes with, we'll be decorating those too. And then adding in the pocket pages, of course. How many photos do you think fit in here, Jessie?
50.
50? I'm gonna go 57. What does this say? I'm upside down.
Oh, darling, let's be adventurers.
Sounds good. I need an adventure. An adventure.
I love adventures.
Adventures are good. So I forget what comes in your class kit. The album, the chipboard, obviously, bunch of paper. I think it's a 6x8 pad that you're working with. The package of ephemeras, maybe some extra pages. I forget. The kit is loaded with stuff. So it's a nice sort of generic travel line for wherever your adventures have taken you. Plane, train, automobile, back of a camel. I came up with that all by myself. I haven't been everywhere, but it's on my list for sure. So that is a quick flip through the album. I think it's pretty full. And there's a little, yeah, there's a bit more room.
You can add a little bit.
And there's those flippy things that you can add too. So yeah, you can definitely add some more pages. So yeah, there's your close-up. So we have kits for this ready to go right now. I don't know how many are left, maybe 10 at the most.
Roughly.
Yes, and that's as of today. So tomorrow that number will change. Anyway, so they're ready to go now. They come with beautiful step-by-step instructions. So there's photos and written for all of it. And yeah, so they're in the shop. You can call us and have one held aside for you, or we can ship them too, anywhere in Canada. So that was it. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you soon.